Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how can you use Android tablet as a second PC monitor. To use Android tablet as a second PC monitor, you just need to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first of all, what you have to do is you want to make sure to actually install this application on your PC as well as tablet. So download SpaceDesk on your computer. You'll see that there are several download buttons. Pick the one that corresponds to your version of the Windows. Example, Windows 11 equals to 64 bits or Windows 8.1 is 32 bits. So if you're sure about it installing it, so you want to go with that, and after which click on the next installation. As you've done it, so then you want to set up or you want to actually open the SpaceDesk on your Google Play Store on your tablet and tap on the install button. It'll take a minute or two to download the installation as well. After you've actually done it, so what you need to do is connect your Android device to a Wi-Fi. It needs to be in the same network that your computer is using. Then you just want to make sure to open the SpaceDesk on your tablet and on your computer as well. On your tablet, tap your Windows computer from the list, and a few moments later, your desktop will appear on the Android as well. So this is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.